Children always get confused when they have to choose a method in order to find square root, as we have three methods: successive subtraction, prime factorization and long division to find square root. But the question arises which method to be applied and where. So we have four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So when word problem says what should be added or subtracted, always use long division method. And when question says what should be multiplied or divided, go for prime factorization method only. So let's do each case in detail. First, find the smallest number by which 4056 must be divided. Since it is a case of division, so we will use prime factorization. Number is 4056. We will start with 2. Why? Because it is an even number. 2, 2028, again 2, 1014 divisible by 2, 507 not divisible by 2, so we will go for next prime number 3. It will give 169. Then 169 is a perfect square, that is why 13, 13, 1. Next we will check for pairing. 2 in pair, 13 in pair. Only 2 and 3 individually left without a pair. So in this case, we need to eliminate 2 and 3. What is 2 and 3? It's 6. So 4056 must be divided by 6 in order to make it a perfect square. Case 2 is based on multiplication. Find the smallest number by which 1800 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. Since it is based on multiplication, so we will use prime factorization method. 1800 is an even number, so we will start with 2, 900, again 2, 450. It is again divisible by 2, 225, divisible by 3, 75. It is again divisible by 3, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. Now we will check which all numbers are in pair. 2 is in pair, 3 is in pair, 5 is in pair. Only 2 is left without a pair, which means 1800 should be multiplied by 2 in order to make it a perfect square. So this will give you 3600. And what is the square root of 3600? 60. So answer is 2. 2 is the smallest number. Case 3 is based on subtraction. Hence, we will apply long division method here. Find the smallest number by which 4056 must be subtracted. So 4056 is our number. Using long division method, first we need to divide it into pairs from right to left. 56 is first pair, 40 is second pair. Now figure out which number square is nearer to 40 or equal to 40. So we have 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Remainder is 4. We will copy 56 down. Now multiply the quotient by 2. You will get 12. Leave a blank next to the product. Now fill this blank with such a number. If you multiply with the same number, the product is either less than 456 or exact match. So let's fill this gap with 4. This is an hit and trial method. This will give 694, which is greater than 456. So we will check for 33963, which is smaller than 456. So we will go for 369. 16 minus 9 is 7, 14 minus 6 is 8, and this is 0. So this 87 is your remainder. Hence, if we remove this remainder from this given number, then this given number will become a perfect square. Hence, 87 should be subtracted from 4056 in order to make it a perfect square. Case number 4 is based on addition. What must be added to 1939 to make it a perfect square? Since it is based on addition, so we will use long division method without thinking twice. So 1939 using long division method, so we will pairing from right to left. 39 first pair, 19 is second pair. We will find out such a number whose square is either less than or equal to this 19. So 4 will go with this. 4 into 4 is 16. Remainder is 3. Now we will copy down 39. Next step is multiply the quotient with 2 and leave a gap after this product. Now fill this gap with such a number. If you multiply with the same number, the product should either be less than the given number or equal to the given number. So I am filling this gap with 4. Hit and trial method. The product is 336, which is nearer to 339. I am not checking for next number, which is 5, because this number is nearer to 339. Fill this gap with 4, 4, 3, 3, 6 subtracted, remainder is 3. Now we cannot remove this remainder. Why? Because quotient is based on addition. Neither we can add this remainder because remainder always cause problem. So in that case, we will find the next number of quotient, that is 45. Find the square of 45, which is equal to 2025. Now find the gap between 2025 and the given number 1939. What is the gap? Gap is 86. If you subtract 1939 from 2025, the result will be 86. Now add 86 to 1939 in order to make it a perfect square.